Yes, hello. My first question is again for Mr. Kim Jisoo. Can you tell us some of your most unforgettable experiences staying or living here in the Philippines?
Um, on the set, actually, when we had a shooting, Richard brought to us the lechon, several lechon.
How was it?
Yeah,
Is
it was
delicious?
actually very fun experience. Like on the set, the actors brought the food and enjoy it together. It was like, oh, they are really like family ship, like friendship. It's like, oh, they're really good. And so I was also like feel like, oh, they're very warm, and I'm kind of feel like part of them. So yeah, I enjoy the lecture, but it's it's not like lecture. It's like sweet, sweetheart. I can feel like sweetheart to the whole team. So it was good experience, and what I noticed is it's been doing 2 months for me. So now, sometimes I can understand what they're saying. I don't know exactly what they're saying, but I can just feel it, like bad way or good way, especially bad word. Yeah.
Thank you. I would like to ask the bad words, but never mind. The next question for you is, are you going to say, how long are you going to stay in the Philippines? Are you still, what are the plans for you by GMA in acting?
I don't have any specific plan yet, and I don't know my future. So, who knows the tomorrow? I'm just focused on the present. And yeah, I hope to doing more challenging role on GMA. And it was really honor to be part of the one of the great show on the Philippines. So it was really good. Yeah. I hope to more project on the future, but I don't have plan yet.
Okay, thank you. And my next question is for Miss Jillian Ward. English in code ulit, ha?
Hello po.
Yes, Jill, how is it working with a foreign actor like Mr. KGC?
Okay, so at first, Jisoo was very quiet. So I made it a point na I wanted to make him feel comfortable. And masasabi ko na it's my first time working with a foreigner. Talaga po na ganito katagal. And I can say he's very professional and always on time. So, wala naman po masyadong difference kasi magulo siya makisama. Parang almost same lang po no? Kung paano si Jisoo sa set and yung ibang cast. So, ayun, nung una actually, medyo nape-pressure ako kasi feeling ko kailangan, parang responsibility ko na maging komportable siya sa set, na ma-feel niya na at home siya. So, ayun, at first I felt pressured. Pero ngayon, I'm just happy na nagkakaroon kami ng ganitong chance na maka-work din po si Jisoo.
Ayun, thank you and congratulations sa show. And my last two questions are for yung nag-iisang Diyosa ng show, Miss Wilma Tasek. Wilma, anong feeling na mula umpisa hanggang natapos ang show ay praktika ng abot na kamay na pangarap?
Nakaka-pressure. Nakaka-pressure lalo na pag nakita mo na yung mag-ina na nag-uumpisa ng lumuha yung mga mata nila. Tapos yung mata ko parang, ay tuyo ka ngayon, girl. Hindi pwede. So yun lang yung mga natutunan ko doon na parang, I think tama din si Richard sa sinabi niya na yung openness ng lahat. Kaya din na wino-work out mo rin yung character mo and then at the same time, dinidevelop mo rin yung friendship mo dun sa set. Kasi parang ang anuhan namin is, hindi lang naman tayo taping buddies o hindi lang naman tayo taping friends. Outside kasi ng abot kamay, nagkikita-kita pa kami. So, rumarakit ako sa kanila, binibentahan ko sila ng mga tinda ko. So, doon ko naman naramdaman yung support nila sa akin na every time na magbebenta ako, willing naman talaga silang bumili. So, again, nagpapasalamat din ako sa opportunity because after a long time, ngayon lang ako ulit nagkaroon ng teleserye at drama po ito. So, I'm proud of myself na kaya ko palang magdrama. So, nagpapasalamat ako again sa GMA, kay Direk LA, sa aking mga co-actors for helping me out na ma-bring out din yung other side ni Josa. Kasi si Josa kasi medyo emotional eh. Si Wilma Dasen kasi walang hiya talaga by nature. So kailangan, yun doon ako medyo nahihirapan yung i-adjust ko yung sarili kong maging mabait. Char. So medyo gano'n. Kasi si Josa yun eh, mabait siya, supportive siya, very natural siya, very loving. So I hope na kaya, feeling ko din na kaya nagtagay yung character ni Josa dun sa show. It's because, alam naman natin mga Pilipino na sa atin, mahalaga sa atin ang kaibigan at mahalaga sa atin yung opinion ng kaibigan. Siguro yun din yung reason kung bakit marami din kumapit sa character ni Josa na gagawin mo ang lahat para sa kaibigan mo na hindi lang dahil kaibigan, naging pamilya mo na din at the same time.
Thank you, Ms. Wilma. And my last question is for Chucky. Chucky, dati kang child actor na naging teen actor, di ba? So how is it working sa mga teen stars, sa mga young stars dito sa Abot Kamay na Pangarap? Pareho ba kayo ng araw?
Huwag ka naman. Sige, umayos ka kagad. Bait-bait ko sumagot. Well, it's nice to impart knowledge and, experience to yung mga nagsa-start out pa lang, those who are, mga lumalapit, humingi ng advice. Nakakatuwa din naman pag lumalapit sila sa akin. And I feel honored to, give my 2 cents and to tell them kung ano yung, kung paano yung showbiz dati, kung paano ang experience ko, at kung paano din naman ma-inspire din sila to hone their craft, to become more professional. And I'm very, very happy to have worked with them. In fact, apart from the kids, I'm really, really happy to have worked with everyone talaga. Shout out, kudos talaga to the production for putting up, for assembling a wonderful cast na talagang napakagaling talaga. Because, I'm sure with other shows, maganda rin ang samahan nila. But I don't know, it feels like it's divine providence or it feels like blessed lang talaga kami to have been assembled na talagang magkakasundo kami lahat. Na talagang parang pamilya kami, na nagbibiroan, wala na kami tinatago sa isa't isa. Lahat ng sekreto yata namin, alam na namin. And I just impart with them also na, I may be, matagal naman, I started out as a child actor, but coming back into show business as a serious, more mature person with mature roles, and to have been part of Abot Kamay na Pangarap na napaka-successful, napakatagal, napakalaking blessing talaga. And I think I can say the same thing for everyone, that this has been such a wonderful journey and a blessing and something that we will never forget even if we move on to other shows as well.
Thank you and congratulations all.
Thank you so much.